So breaking up is hard to do.
Yeah.
But sometimes you have to if you want a bonus.
That's right.
Preferably not with your significant other, but with your annuity.
Yeah, that's where you get the bonuses from, putting money into a new annuity. Yeah.
Yeah, so how does that work? Because today we're talking about if you have an annuity and you're just not happy with it, is it worth putting into something else and getting that surrender charge? So how do you work with that, Steve?
Yeah. So you come across you've done your ask, you found out they have an annuity, it has a surrender charge, it's still got a couple years left, 4 or 5 years. But they're not happy with the growth, or maybe their goals have changed. You need to find an annuity with a bonus. So that you'd reach out to us, we'll help you find one. And currently right now, a unique product that I actually did a video on about, I don't know, a month or two ago.
You remember it.
American National. They have a 14% bonus on an annuity that had a really cool feature called the best entry window. Well, they've just changed that.
To the worst entry window.
That's even better.
Oh, really? Oh, they definitely a step higher. They didn't go lower. They went, yeah.
Yeah, they raised the floor now. They removed the best entry window and they said, forget that. We're going to give you a 6% guarantee on your money the first year. And if your indexes
Did you say 6%?
Yeah.
How are they making money?
All right. You hear 0 is your hero. Well, 6 is your hero in the first year of this product. On top of
6 is your fix. I'm going to come up with 9 of these by the end of the video, just so you know.
All right. Well, anyways, so you can get, you basically lock in at least a 6% guarantee interest rate your first year. If your indexes do better, you get that as well. So you get the best of both worlds your first 12 months of the product. So 14% bonus without a fee, 6% the first year, 6% is locked in, and it's basically, it's vested. A lot of bonuses aren't vested until the surrender period's over. But in this case here, 6% and 6% at the end of the first year, 14% on day one. It's a pretty great way to be able to overcome a surrender charge, get immediate growth on your money, and you don't have to fool with what the market does those first 12 months.
But you brought up something important there with the bonuses that, so like in this annuity, you're getting a 14% bonus. Is that something you need to watch out for? If someone says, I want to dump this annuity and get to something else, to check for that bonus if it's vested or not?
Yeah, so that'd be something you want to check with on a schedule or a contract for someone you're meeting with who has a current annuity. A lot of times those bonuses, you get them day one, but over the time of the surrender period, slowly a portion of that is actually vested. So if you ever walk away from a contract early that gave you a bonus, you may be giving up a portion of that bonus.
And you could find that in the contract?
Yeah.
Can you find it in a statement?
It may say it in the statement depending on the company, but it will definitely be in the contract.
So you got a client and they're like, I'm in a multi-year guarantee and it's okay, but I'm watching this market like a rocket and I want to jump on that ship. You could say, you know what, we could look at your loss and see if a bonus could recuperate, and if not, make it even better.
Yeah, we see that quite often where you can surrender an account, take a surrender charge, and your account value may be 150,000, and then your surrender value might be 140. You put the money into a bonus annuity, that your account value could actually be much higher than 150,000. It could be closer to 160 or so. So it can make a lot of sense for somebody who's trying to make up some losses or a potential lack of gains. It's a great way to be able to catch back up.
Yeah, so if your client says, I already have an annuity, it's worth saying, you know what, when's the last time you reviewed it? Because as the market changes, so do annuities, and we need to make sure that it's still the right vehicle for you.
Yep. So reach out to us when you come across those scenarios. Anyone on the annuity team, Tim Luby or Cody Lewis or myself will be certainly able to help you, and we'll be able to find the right product, right bonus to be able to overcome those surrender charges that you come across.
How do you get a hold of them? Well, our friend Alex is going to splash that information across the screen like he does amazingly. Hopefully he has some cool graphics in the back, because he hates when I say that, because then he feels obligated to do it. And until next time, go out there, have fun, make money, and
give impeccable service.
Just like Steve. And I don't like the fact you're pointing that pencil at me, so.